Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video explaining how to adjust the headlights on the Cybertruck. From the factory, when I first picked it up, the headlights were pointing way too high, blinding everyone. So there's actually a simple way to go into the service menu and adjust your headlights accordingly. So first thing what I'm going to do is put the ride height into medium, so it's similar to what it would be while driving, because entry might be too low and I'm not sure if the truck actually dynamically adjusts the headlights at all. It doesn't seem to be the case though. So looks like the ride height is in medium now. Now all you have to do is go to your service section, adjust headlights. It's gonna calibrate or try to calibrate automatically. Looks like it kind of stopped where we started from, but now you can simply select the left or right light and adjust accordingly. So left one is selected, I can use the scroll wheel to kind of raise it. You can see the left one is rising up, lowering down. So just kind of adjust wherever you feel is appropriate. I think mine were still a bit too high, so I'm gonna go slightly lower than I was before. And then similarly, we're gonna use same thing for the right one, and kind of try to line them up as best as possible. I think normally the left one is a bit lower to not blind oncoming traffic on like a two-lane road, so I'm gonna set it about there. But yeah, this is how you adjust the lights on your Cybertruck.